Hello.
Hello.
What's up? How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing,
How you doing, sweetheart?
What's up?
What's good,
What's
sweetheart?
up?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Can I have some of that? Some of that.
What? Alright, yo.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's go. It's your boy JRE.
Shit. Down to a.
Cut to the intro.
No, play my intro.
Play my intro.
No. But I'm in the middle of moving, so hence the background and the bed on the floor, etc. But it's been going well.
Bias.
Yo, bias.
My bias.
If Lisa were to walk into this door right now.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, what's up?
Yeah?
Yeah. Just like, what's up, Shy?
Alright, bring her up.
You're funny.
Bring her up. I wish.
Hello, Lisa.
Hello, Lisa.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi. She'd be so cute, I bet. And then you see her as like a mentor. Like a
What the
teacher.
was that?
No, I don't think so. Okay, your bias is Lisa. Mine is Rose, but Lisa's pretty close. Bias record, for sure. I would love to surprise you with Lisa.
That'd be
Come out!
crazy.
Let's go, out! Lisa, come out! First reaction with my girlfriend.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, this is Hedgen. I should have just introduced that. I thought you already knew if you followed me on YouTube. I already made a video introducing her to my Twitch. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. What do I say?
Play my intro.
Let's go!
Ooh, pretty dress. Okay. Ooh. I'm ready for the drop.
Uh-huh. Oh, you got the kiss.
Oh. Woo. Okay.
Oh. Oh, they're wearing masks too.
LALISA. Yo. LALISA. Let's go.
Let's go.
La. Nice.
What?
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro, her style is always on top.
Ooh.
She said, "Drip me up."
Like a lower register. I like it.
Ooh, the hands in the back. Hold up.
Ooh, I like that breath right there.
LALISA, love me.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mm.
Is that the new trend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Let's go, baddie.
You know what this already reminds me of?
What?
Taeyang Ringalinga. I don't know if you remember that. Ring-a-ling-a-ling, ring-a-ling. Like, not exactly so, but the whole vibe, like dance, trap, rap kind of thing, like that kind of that kind of feel.
I feel it.
But LALISA, speaker,
Ooh.
speaker. Ooh, look at her nails.
Hey.
Damn.
Dude, she rocking that suit though. Let's go.
Ooh,
Oh. Oh, bitch.
ooh,
Ooh.
ooh. The Flintstones. That's clever.
Oh, her makeup is so on point. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey. Hey.
I like the dance too. I just think.
Yeah.
Ooh, the change up.
Oh.
Ah, LALISA. Oh shit.
Oh, bitch, the fuck?
Oh shit.
Oh, bitch, the fuck?
What the hell?
Okay, let's change up.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, her outfits are all on point, bruh. Yo. Hey.
Ooh.
Ooh. I like that breakdown.
Yeah, I like that. I like that breakdown a lot.
That's my favorite part so far.
Ooh, her outfits though.
Ooh, I know.
This right here too.
So
Like the white, long hair.
Yeah. Ooh, her makeup is so good. Damn. Hey.
That is a trend. I've been hearing that a
Yeah,
lot more.
yeah.
And a lot of the music and everything.
Yeah.
It went to like a very lighthearted like pop feel.
Yeah.
Not like more lighthearted.
This part kind of reminds me of like Hyuna.
Like a Hyuna vibe.
The melody, just like it's very like the notes are.
I mean, Hyuna's also that solo girl, like that bad bit too.
Yeah.
Sound.
Yeah.
And Lisa has that definitely flavor as well. Cause it's like a setup to like all of a sudden to like a Thai feel. Ooh, what the? Oh, that was hot. That body roll too.
Yeah.
Can he body roll?
Yeah.
Like. Ooh. Okay. Oh.
It's interesting.
And then this part.
Oh. Oh.
So good.
Girl. Oh god. There's this one makeup look that I really like. It's the top of her lid. Like you see. Like I love that look. Yeah, you see that?
Right.
Look how pretty that fucking makeup is.
Wow.
It's like holographic.
She's pretty.
Yo,
But we already been doing this. Shout out to the makeup artist.
Yeah, bro. Like the stylist and the makeup artist did not slack for this one. No sir.
It's what I wanted.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, of course, I always want more from her. Like, I was gonna say, I wanted a dance break.
Yeah, I did too.
I was like, ooh, if it's like just all of a sudden, doom, doom, like all of a sudden, like old school shit, but you know, that's just me. But overall,
maybe in the future.
oh,
yeah,
for
she's
sure. Even like
definitely-
maybe live too, to be honest. Alright, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Like, favorite, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Share it with Lisa.
Yeah.
If you want more K-pop, I'll be on Twitch at Jrekml. Hedgen has a Twitch as well. Sorry if I haven't been uploading. I'm in the middle of moving and yeah, just dealing with stuff, you know, real things. But glad I'll be able to get back on Twitch and on that YouTube grind. So see you guys soon. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow everything and all the.
Y'all better
things.
like and subscribe. Or
Also,
else I'm coming over there.
What are you gonna do?
And I'ma annoy you with the and then
I think they'll like that.
Oh, they'll like that.
Yeah. And you'll what? Oh.
I'll do that too.
Okay, that's annoying.
But.
Follow everything in the link in the description down below, and see you guys in the next video or Twitch stream. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.